Daseinanalytic couples therapy is an excellent way of helping people who are in trouble with their relationships. The setting of Daseinanalytic couple therapy is obviously different compared to individual therapy. We do not use the couch, of course, and the aims of couples therapy are somewhat different compared to individual therapy. We will not be able to focus on all the individual pathologies, on all the individual needs, on all the individual experiences from the past, simply because the time is too short, simply because our focus is a different one. Our focus is the very relationship between two people. This is something that we emphasize at the initial session, where we start psychotherapy, and we ask our clients to define a very clear aim of couples therapy. The clearer the aim and the more detailed the aim, the more likely we will be able to help. It's mostly about getting divorced or not. It's sometimes about finding the right way to educate children. It's sometimes just about warmth and romantic relationship. But it's always about openness, honesty, and authenticity, and communication. And this is what we help people in Daseinanalysis, not by giving any advices, not by exercising any techniques in everyday life at home, but by showing people that communication is something more than just speaking to each other. Listening requires serenity, listening requires openness and silence. So mostly we encourage couples to take their time for their silence, to be together and to listen to the other one. In Daseinanalysis, we define love as letting the other be just the way that she or he is. The fact of letting be is nothing easy, is nothing automatic. This is something that we have to refresh every single day in a relationship. If we forget about it just for a single day, the relationship will get less romantic. And this art is something that we can learn and that we have to exercise. Just let the other one be, regardless of our own expectations, regardless of our own needs, and without asking for anything in return. Of course, this will only work if that's true for the other one as well. Both people have to agree on this fact that both people want to let the other be just the way that she or he is. This requires a lot of openness, and this requires the motivation to look for the authentic possibilities of the other one. Because sometimes the other one doesn't know the own possibilities herself or himself. We always need a second person to know about our own possibilities. Without this, a romantic relationship will not be able, but not even a relationship in friendship or a relationship with our children. We believe in Daseinanalysis that there are different forms of human relationships that have their specificities. But there's one thing they all have in common. We have got to let the other one be the way that they are. But in couples therapy, we ask them what the goal is. Is the goal to preserve a romantic relationship? Is the goal to help a transformation into friendship? Is it the goal of helping people to get an authentic mother or an authentic father? These are different ways of approach, these are different phenomena, and these are things that all require serenity of the therapist and authenticity of the couple.